My name is William Dory, and I show you how to sell on eBay. And we're not talking about candles, potions, and trinkets and all that. We're talking about motorcycles, sport bikes specifically. That's what I specialize in. You find them, you part them out, you list the parts on eBay. And I'm not talking about retail, guys. I'm talking about buying motorcycles, pennies on the dollar where you can find these. I'm talking a couple $100 a motorcycle. For instance, this one right here is this nice Ducati 620. We just picked it up for $2,000. We're about to sell for $4,499. That's the deals that I'm talking about, and that's the deals that I'm going to show you how to find all day, every day. This business can make you six figures working part-time alone. I show you the ins and the outs, where to source unlimited inventory from, how to do this, what you need, the software included. I have a 2-day masterclass coming up Saturday and Sunday in the Dallas area. $5,000 per person. It's limited to 10 people per class. I only do 2 classes per year. So be sure to click down the link below, and I will see you there.